You guys, so this is a day one wash and go that I achieved using products from For You by Tia. I actually used the whole line to get this look, but this video is a refresh video. This clip right here is day 3 hair. It looks phenomenal. It has volume. It looks really good. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I got it using For You by Tia. Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be different. When I say it's different than my other videos, it's because I'm actually working with a bigger brand. Not specifically for this video, but just in general. My hair, this is day 3 hair, and I styled my hair with the For You by Tia Mowry line. So it came with 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners, a leave-in curl cream, a curl defining gel, a curl refresher mist, and a hair like multi-purpose oil. My hair was so dirty when I styled it that I literally used both shampoos. I used one of the conditioners to pre-poo. I used one of the conditioners to condition. I really did enjoy the shampoo and conditioner, like all around, both of them. And I really was so impressed by the leave-in curl cream. It was super moisturizing, and the curl defining gel was nice as well. It gave my hair a lot of definition. Originally my hair was so super defined. Each like curl or ringlet was super defined, and it still looks good now. It's just like day 3 hair, and this is how I sleep with my hair, like this little puff. So I'm gonna like refresh it. I've taken it out of this puff multiple times today, but I had to do my hair, makeup and stuff, so even though it didn't come out how I wanted, I don't even know how it will look in this video, but we'll see. So to refresh my hair, I'm going to use a combination of my spray bottle of water, this curl refresher mist, and this curl defining gel for the frizzy parts. And I'll also be using some of this multi-use hair oil. So when I take off my little scrunchie, this is what I'm looking like. As you can tell, my hair basically fell into place, like it don't look bad. So this is like a light refresh. So I'm going to go in with my spray bottle full of water, and I'm going to spray my whole perimeter of my head, because my hair was put up in a pineapple and that area of hair was exposed to, you know, my pillows and whatnot. So I want to start with that foundation of moisture. And once I do that, I'm going to take this curl refresher mist and spray in those same areas, basically around my hair, focusing on my crown and my ends. And something pretty awesome about all these products by Tia, For You by Tia, is that they all have Hemi-15, which is a silicone alternative that locks in moisture, reduces frizz, and improves definition. And I can definitely say that this like hair refresher definitely did return some definition, because I focused it on the frizzy areas. So as you see right there, I sprayed that one curl, and now I'm going in with the defining gel just to lock it all into place. So the gel, everything has Hemi-15. But to refresh my whole head, well, not my whole head, I'm focusing on key elements like I just mentioned: my crown, my ends. My crown gets pretty darn frizzy because that's where my pineapple sits. So throughout this whole video, that's what you're going to see me doing, looking through my hair, finding certain curls that need to be touched up, and I'm gonna touch them up with these products. This is an example of me just going through my hair, looking at each curl, seeing which one needs to be refreshed. Because just because a curl is frizzy doesn't mean it needs to be refreshed. But the ones that's literally lacking definition, those are the ones that I am refreshing. Once I'm just about done refreshing single curls, I'm going to go in with this Curl Refresher mist and just spray all over my hair once again around the perimeter, my ends, crown. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my gel and lay my edges. This isn't going to be something too, extravagant, but I am going to lightly lay them, which you are seeing now. I'm going to be quiet and just let y'all watch me do it. It's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, I want to be quiet and let you watch me do it. And once I'm satisfied with how everything is looking, I'm going to go in with this multi-use hair oil and basically just put the whole little, dial in my hand. And I'm going to scrunch that into my hair to seal in all this beautiful moisture I just put in and to get my hair shine. Okay, so mind y'all, I don't typically lay my edges like I used to, so this is just a little extra fancy stuff for today's videos. Typically, all of this I wouldn't do. Typically, I wouldn't even do all of this. Like, if I'm just going to the store or something like that, or picking my sister up from school, I just take that out of that pineapple, slush it around or fluff it around and go. But if I was like going to dinner or something like that, I would do this as well. But this is like a more ramped up version without doing too much. Because some people actually re-wet their whole head. That's not necessary, especially when you still just simply have a lot of definition. But that is it. I have nothing else to show y'all. That's it. I'm going to do a quick turnaround. So hopefully the back look decent. My hair is growing out so much, y'all. In like 3 months, it will be 2 years since I cut my hair. And my hair has grown out so much, but I have a video all about all that soon. So that's it for this video. So if you all enjoyed, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share the video with a friend. Be sure to check out my For You by Tia YouTube shorts on Instagram, all of that. Be sure to check me out. Subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye. And here's a quick little spin around of my day 3 hair. Again, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.